Hi everyone, I'm back out on the Holderness today. Not expecting a massive amount, to be honest. School holidays, so I've tried to pick the what I consider the quietest place. So tide's just going out. So yeah, if I find anything, I'll come back. Well, that looks like a very old bit of wood. That would be lovely. Although I'm not carrying it off the beach, so it can stay there. But nice. So here's a promising looking nodule. Nice and spherical. So I'm going to try and hit it on camera and see what's in there. Well, good first time split. Is there anything? No, unfortunately not. Okay, so the tide is just going out enough now to reveal this stream of rocks. So I'll carry on walking down here and then head along here and see if the tide has washed any goodies up. It's like a huge boulder on the beach. There's a Ammonites, a worn out one. Always nice to see. Okay, so I've just found this nodule in this little boulder that's fallen on the beach. Looked like a perfect nodule. Couldn't see anything on it, just been hitting it for the last 2 minutes. They are so hard. Eventually we got a little break and definitely an ammonite in there. Little deck. Plenty of nice fresh boulders to look through. So, not sure what this is, but I think it's a shell, a bivalve. Yeah, I think it's a little shell. Okay, got another nice shaped nodule. So I'm going to try and hit it on camera. And hopefully it doesn't take forever to break. Yeah, no, well, we've got a decent break. Is there anything? Well, there was a fragment cone in there, which is the bottom bit of the Ammonites, and split very well. Quite interesting. Okay, so I've spotted this huge rock, and I've given it some taps, and I've got a split along the middle, but I haven't checked yet. So let's see if there's anything good. No, we've got a few shells. That's it. That's a shame. Okay, so I picked up these 4 or 5 interesting looking pebbles. So I'm going to see if I can set my phone up and yeah, see if we can break them open in real time. Okay, well, we've definitely got one in there. I don't know if you can see me, but there's one. No, nothing in that one. There was one, but that's just the edge of one. Yep. Nothing in that one. It's quite an interesting looking job. is one in there. Well, there was one, but it's gone straight through. Very calcitic. Yeah, it's just breaking all the wrong ways. Shame, but yeah, nice one in there. And here it is, prepped nice and easy. This is interesting. Ooh, there's a big round nodule, or spherical nodule. Let's give it a hit. Well, lovely sectarian nodule. A lot of nice crystals in there, but unfortunately no ammonite. Right, so I've just bumped into Elliot, who has got some lovely finds here. We've got two lovely big bits of ammonite, so they would have been lovely. That's a cracking find, well done. Well, this would have been part of a big ammonite at some point. Look at the sutures on that. Well, I'm having some terrible luck with splits today. Must have had about 4 or 5 already that have just split straight through the fossil. And there's another one. Straight through. Which is a shame. But I'll split this one open and nice little shell block. That'll polish up nice with some Renaissance wax on there. So I think I'll keep that. And here it is. By the way, if you do enjoy these videos, then please like and subscribe, and I'll carry on making more. Thanks. Just to add to the day of bad splits, I've got a little Elegantiferous, but it's had an awful split as well. Oh dear. Okay, so that's me finished. It was an okay hunt, a couple of nice finds, but could have been a very good hunt if I had some better splits on a lot of the nodules that I hit. Could have been coming away with about 5 or 6 decent ammonites and that nice small Elegantiferous block. But anyway, always nice to be out, so hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, then please like and subscribe, and then I'll carry on making some more. Well, until next time, catch you later.